Hello, welcome to Guaranty's website. This is Barbara D. at Guaranty. I work in trailers and vans. Today I'm going to talk with you about our Rockwood 1640 LTD. This is a beautiful fold-down trailer. On one end you've got a 42 by 78 bed, and on the other a 54 by 78. Also has a dedicated dinette, a refrigerator, a stovetop, and lots of cabinetry, including a carry-out range. So you've got a stove on the inside and a stove on the outside. It features a 7-foot awning. These units just weigh hardly, they're so easily towed. The unloaded vehicle weight's like just under 1,500 pounds. They are about 12 feet long, so you can fit them in your garage. They've got everything you need and a little bit more. The rooftop on these has a 12-year warranty. And the canvas is just about bulletproof. It's just a super nice little unit. We have a lot of folks come in and looking for these. It's a super good price point. You're looking at a payment that's probably going to be right around $100 a month. And it's easy to go through that in a hurry. So, you see new sights and experiences and adventures with this little unit. And you can sleep peacefully and comfortably. It sleeps 6. There's room for everyone and everything. The best way to take a look at one of these is to come on out here and take a look at them, to sit down on the sofa, to lie down on the bed, and do a quick walk around. But I will tell you that I've sold quite a few of them over the years, and they're fantastic. I'm talking about the 1640 LTD Rockwood fold-down trailer. Come on out, ask for me. My name is Barbara. I'm with Guaranty, and my phone number is 541-521-4232. I look forward to shaking your hand and answering your questions. Give me a call. Thank you.